Cut this amount of pipe. Whew. Yeah. Run all these pipe on top of the roof. Alright, I'm going on a journey now. Yeah. Going on a journey. On a journey. Yeah. Going on a journey. Going on a journey. Yeah. This is all the pipe around. As far as your eyes can see. So far we run the pipe. Yeah. This is a brazier John. We run all this pipe, me and Miguel. As far as your eyes can see. We run all this pipe, man. Look. Almost to the end of the building. Look, going all the way down there. Continue here. Round here, round here, round here. Round here. Go right there. Right here. All the way. Look. We're going to take you on this journey that we run this pipe, man. Look. All the way. Oh, Lord. All the way. All the way. Look. All the way. It's a long journey to the end of the building. All the way. It's hot up here. The sun is so hot on the roof, man. So hot on the roof. All the way. See? This one supply the unit. Yeah. All the way. Continue. Continue. All the way, 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 all the way. Copper. Soldering and brazing. This is solder. Look at this giant head, pretty. Yeah. Oral blade to that giant, man. Yeah. So my giant pretty. Yeah. Look at my joints. Oh, they're pretty and clean. Clean. What me say? None drip, none nothing. Clean and pretty. I will say pretty soldering. Look there. I will say pretty soldering around here. Plumber. You don't play when you run pipe. Plumber. I will say pretty soldering. Run pipe. What do you mean? 100 feet of pipe. On top of the roof, man. Look. Yeah, look. And this one now go to that unit. You see? Yeah. Look where I'm coming from. All the way down there. Look. Look how far. Look where that step is. All the way down there. All the way up here. Right? Yeah. I'm going to say clean soldering. Look there. How can I solder pretty, sir? Watch it, man. Show backside, man. Watch it, man. All the way. Yeah. Yeah. This is what I use. This is my tank. And my fire blanket, torch and everything. Yeah. All the way. I'm going all the way. Take you on this journey. Don't finish yet. All the way. Woo. And the sun is so hot. All the way. Look at this journey. Going all the way straight up here. Can you imagine? The amount of pipe we run. Plus burn all these joints. Yeah. All these joints. That's a lot of joint, man. Look. A lot of joint. All of this pipe. Yeah. All the way. Wow. Yeah. All the way. All the way, man. All the way. Yeah. See? This one now. Go to that unit right over there. See that? Yeah. Yeah. Going all the way. All the way. So far I have to go. All the way. See the amount of pipe, man? Backside. Whew. Go let me now reach you now. See how far I have to walk? All the way. Straight ahead. And the sun is so hot up here, man. Running all these pipe in the sun. It's hot. All the way. Yeah. Good piece of walking anyway. Yeah. Good piece of walking, man. Okay. This one, go to that unit. See? Continue. Continue. All the way. All the way. All the way. Oh crap. Girl sleeping to rotted. All the way. Look. Man. God. All the way. To right here. So far, because I walk a little bit fast. And this one go to this unit. Alright. Yeah, look at the distance. Let me can zoom up here. Look. Jesus, space. So far it is. All the way. All the way, man. And we have those to connect up to. Don't reach here yet. See, we have those 1, 2, 3, 4 to connect. Over there with a green grass, they just spray that grass seed, and the office is over there, all the way over there. There's an office. 1, 2, the second office from the left. That's our office. Go right back. Go right back. Yeah. Yep. See, all the way. See how far? Right. See? All the way, man. Backside, Miguel asleep. See, Miguel drop asleep over there. So I'm thirsty. I'm gonna get some water to drink now. I'm thirsty. My God. Miguel asleep to rot. You wolf. Miguel drop asleep. Go backside.